Where are we today? Today, we are at SeaWorld in Orlando, Florida. We have never been to this park before and are super excited to check it out. It's a beautiful day and we're ready to explore. So, let's have fun. Come along, we have a lot to show you. Florida Family Insiders. Every day is an adventure. Today is World Friendship Day, and we are spending it with our friends, the adventures of Ian and Sean. It is because of them that we're finally checking out SeaWorld and seeing all it has to offer. SeaWorld Orlando is both a theme park and a marine zoological park. This means you will find both rides and coasters, and also wildlife exhibits focusing on ocean life, with many aquariums and shows. Here we have the dolphin nursery. You can see dolphins doing tricks with their trainers and get splashed by the playful mammals. The kids love it. There's something about seeing them playing in the water that just makes you happy. Several dolphin species are native in Florida coastal waters. The most common of these is the bottlenose dolphin. I cannot believe that we've never been to SeaWorld before. I was expecting it to be a lot more exposed with less shade, but I'm super happy to see how beautifully landscaped it is with lots of trees. I'd always thought of it as a really sunny, exposed, and mostly ocean animal-themed park. But SeaWorld has grown up, and it has thrill rides, coasters, beautiful aquariums, tons of dining options, and a tower that gives you aerial views of the park and surrounding resort. Plus, this year in March, Sesame Street opened, with rides, splash pad, a parade, and character meet and greets. And it's perfect for the kids. And, and the occasional adult who might have grown up on Sesame Street. Okay, Christy, try not to look too excited. This is for the kids. So what? I might have waited my entire life to meet the count. And here we are, and I'm so excited. Now that I've checked that off, let's go see the rides. So here we are in Sesame Street, and it's amazing. This is everything that I would have wanted as a little girl. Brought to life. This ride gives such a beautiful view of the entire area. It's wonderful and can make you a little dizzy.
Well, I should say I don't have any interest in spinning it anymore, do you?
Okay, I have to admit, I love cookies. I eat them daily, and Cookie Monster and I are kindred spirits. So I am super happy to finally meet him. It isn't just cookies and counts here at SeaWorld. Another family-friendly ride is the beautiful sea carousel, full of your favorite sea animals. Do you want to ride a shark? Go for it. This one won't bite. And now that we've satisfied our inner child, it's time for some bigger rides. Infinity Falls has the largest drop on a river raft ride in the world. Not that I'm afraid of drops or heights. I totally am, but we're doing it anyways. If my 11-year-old can do it, so can I. Here we go. So we didn't get the ending drop because we all got so scared we turned off our cameras. But no matter. On to the next ride. This time, it's the Dadas, and they are gonna go on Mako, which is one of the many thrilling roller coasters.
$300,000 for you, baby. Come on.
In case you die.
Yeah.
Are you guys ready for this? Going on Mako. All right, have fun, guys.
Okay. Bye-bye.
While our husbands are off thrill riding, we are going to check out some of the games in the area. SeaWorld, like other theme parks, has carnival-style games that can get you some adorable prizes, and the kids really enjoy them. They're priced well below some of the other major theme parks as well. 5 for $20 isn't bad for a major park. Guys, who's gonna win? Who's gonna win? Now that the guys have braved Mako, let's go see some real sharks. SeaWorld is full of wildlife exhibits, and each one is different and themed beautifully to the area of the park you're in. You can walk through tunnels and watch fish and sharks swim overhead, or look at the beautiful coral displays. The tanks are meticulously planned and maintained, so you are seeing a healthy ecosystem. It's truly beautiful.
Oh my God.
These tanks rival any aquarium you can visit, and we love seeing how much the kids enjoy learning about the ocean. It's truly special sharing this with them as a family. Here they share with the kids the life cycle of a shark. We have been exploring all day and are about to ride the tower to get an amazing view of the entire park. But first, lunch. SeaWorld has so many dining options, we will not be able to cover them in this video. In fact, it would take a few, and we are so hungry that we didn't even think to film until after we ate. We had fresh fries with buffalo chicken from a walk-up, and the kids wanted barbecue. So we went and got a brisket plate for them that we devoured. SeaWorld has an all-day dining plan for $39.99 for adults that allows one meal, beverage, an additional side every hour your entire day. That's an amazing deal. Next time we come, we are definitely going to eat everything. Here we are, Sky Tower. We've already gone over my fear of heights. Seriously, how bad can it be? Going up. So, we are here up in the Sky Tower in SeaWorld, and we've already lost 2 of our party members because for Ian it was just a little bit too high. So it's just, yeah, but we have a replacement Ian. We have Ian and Sean from Ian and Sean, The Adventures of Ian and Sean, and we're excited to see how this is gonna. You excited to go on the sky, Tilly?
The SeaWorld Sky Tower. As you take your ride up to a height of 300 feet, we thought it would be helpful to share some SeaWorld tips that might make your day even more enjoyable. For your own safety, please stay in your seats for the entire ride. And no smoking, please.
This view is amazing. You can see all of the roller coasters, the stadiums, and even the hotels beyond. You can even see Aquatica, SeaWorld's water park in the distance. That is definitely on our list. I was a little worried when we got on this, but it's such a smooth ride that it doesn't feel like you're really up there. The tower spins so you can see everything, and it's really lovely and air-conditioned, which makes it a nice midday break. We are back on solid ground. And the husbands are riding Manta, so we are checking out Manta's aquarium. If you had asked which one of these aquariums we like the most, I don't think I could answer. Each is stylized perfectly to fit the theme of the attraction. And if you have smaller children, coupled with a child swap, it works flawlessly to allow the kids to have something to do, while those old enough are enjoying the rides. Seahorses are one of my favorite animals. I could spend an hour just watching these beautiful creatures. Okay, maybe the manta room is my favorite aquarium at SeaWorld. But don't quote me on that just yet. We still haven't seen the penguin room yet. Here we are at Antarctica. If you like penguins, this is the place for you. This is one of the most family-friendly places in the park. This is the home of both Antarctica Empire of the Penguin trackless ride experience and also actual penguins, which you can see inside the habitat. There are 5 species of penguins that you can see. Definitely bring a jacket with you because it is cold inside, which is to suit the needs of these cold weather animals. It's really cold. What can we say? This has been such a beautiful day, and SeaWorld has gone way beyond our expectations. We didn't see so much of the park, and so we'll definitely be back to catch what we missed, go on all the rides, not to mention try that all-day eating plan. Thank you to our friends Jennifer and Roman, Ian and Sean for inviting us here. Can't wait for our next adventure. Bye-bye for now. As always, thanks for watching. Let us know what you think of this video in the comments, or if there is somewhere you think we should cover next. Feel free to like, share, and subscribe for more Florida Family Insiders fun. Until next time.